turning sunlight into savings. How Solar Select helped Callow Oils cut costs and go greener. Callow Oils are a market-leading provider of fuel and lubricant solutions. As an independent family-run business, they are dedicated to providing the best possible service to their customers, day in, day out. With rising energy costs across the UK, Callow Oils needed a way to cut their operational costs with minimal disruption and a quick return on investment. The Solar Select solution. We worked with Callow Oils to provide an efficient and reliable solution. To address their individual business needs, we designed and installed a 50 kilowatt ground-mounted solar array on Callow Oils property. This system was chosen for its optimal energy production and ease of maintenance. We supported Callow Oils throughout every step of the way, conducting a site evaluation, designing and consulting, professional installation, thorough testing and commissioning, monitoring and aftercare. The results speak for themselves. Clean energy production producing 44,000 kilowatt hours per year. Carbon emission reduction by 7,000 kilograms per year. And significant cost savings. Get in touch to start your journey to a bright and sustainable future.